What's the business, family? It's your man Short T, and I'm back at you with another edition of Taking No Shorts with Short T. Let me tell you, I am so turned up right now because I'm thinking about everything that happened this past week. You talking about amazing? It has been amazing, phenomenal. And I'm telling you, it started when we went to Ramsey High School right in Birmingham, Alabama. Big shout outs to Principal Fairs for letting the Hydrate Tour come in and do what we do. And I'm telling you, kids' lives were changed. Students were coming up and saying, man, I've never heard this before. People were saying, you know, it makes me want to do better. I want to be the best at what I do. That's part of what we do. And then we went over to Phillips Academy. My man, Dr. Enzi, oh my goodness. The man got up there and did the Running Man for it. He said, if I can't be excited about my students, he said, how can they be excited? They have set the bar high this year. So we got plenty of other schools we're coming to. And if you want us to come to your school, you need to inbox me or inbox my man Tim Beck and let us know that you want us to come to your school. Let me tell you, I am even thankful for everything that went down Sunday at Extended Hands down at Homeless Ministry at Lynn Park. It was phenomenal. I'm telling you, people were coming up, getting their lives changed from all over the streets. It was crazy. Your boy Short T brought the word, and it was crazy. So I realized this week that it just couldn't be a regular message. It couldn't flow just into anything. I got to tell you guys that I'm thankful. So yeah, the why factor is that I'm thankful or be thankful. Because if we can be thankful, we got to be thankful not just for the good things, not just for the blessings, but we got to be thankful for everything that goes wrong. Be thankful for our enemies. Hey, scripture says this. Scripture says that we're supposed to pray for those that persecute you. So you know what? I'm thankful for the people that did me wrong. I am thankful for people that left me hanging. I'm thankful for people that gave up on me. I'm thankful for even my father, my biological father, that I've never seen a day in my life. The reason I can say that is this, and I want you to think about this. Everything that's went wrong in your life, people that left you hanging, people that said you were no good, I want you to think about it, and it's plain and simple like this. That should motivate you to do better. That should turn your life up right there, that you got to move harder. You got to grind harder, go harder than ever before, because there are people depending on you. So I'm thankful. That gives me the passion when I go out and speak, that I can be passionate about people, because so many people have been done wrong like I have, but I can't give up on life. I have to go change lives. I can see it. See, there are people down at the homeless ministry that people look at and they walk right by. But they're just, everybody ain't scamming. Everybody ain't doing wrong. My folk at Extended Hands, we know that some of them just had a bad draw. And now we are helping them to get back into society and get this thing on track. When I look at students, I'm saying, okay, you don't have everything like I didn't have everything. And letting them know they can do it. So I'm thankful for people that let me down. Just be thankful today. It ain't nothing deep that I'm telling you, but you just got to be thankful. Yeah, they left you high and dry. Yeah, they gave up on you. So what? Be thankful. Let that motivate you, and let's go forward and get your dreams. Remember the formula that I've continued to give you the past couple of weeks. If you do this, remember, I got it right here. X plus Y equals Z. But hard work plus your Y equals success. So be thankful today for everybody that let you down. Be thankful today for people that persecute you, because that should keep you going and keep you grinding. Yo, it's your man Short T. I'm thankful for you most and foremost. I'm thankful that you tuned in and that you're sharing this. But be thankful for each and every person that you come in contact with, that you change somebody else's life. and tell them, I'm just thankful for you. Try that today. I'm Short T. I'm a champion. I'm changing lives, and I'm building champions. And remember, your dream ain't dead, and take no shorts. And I'm thankful for you. Holla at you folk. I love y'all.